Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have got a really fun video. It's a Farfetch unboxing. I'm trying to cover my address. Basically, I bought this bag. It'll be in the description anyway, probably. I bought this bag. Sorry, I keep looking at myself because I'm like, do I look really weird? Like, I'm just really self-conscious about my new hair and like, I'm always like, does it look weird? Anyway, basically I had a Farfetch voucher which they kindly gifted to me, and then I also they had the 20% off for Black Friday. So with the two put together, I got this bag for half price. So something that I'd seen and been looking at for a while, and then I went to an event with Lemaire, and Kavita Cola had this bag and it looked amazing on her. Though I'm seeing the size of this bag, the box that the bag's in, and I'm like, maybe it's a bit too small. But anyway, we'll have to have a look when I open it. But yeah, I just thought it'd be really fun to do it on camera. I haven't done an unboxing in ages. So I've already broken the tape seal. I haven't actually opened the box yet. Oh. It's obviously another Chloe bag because I'm obsessed with Chloe. And just before I open it, oh my god, my battery is gonna die. I've just got a sour taste in my mouth from this bag because the delivery company have been an absolute nightmare, and it nearly got delivered to the wrong place. It was just literally a nightmare from start to finish. But I love this bag, so I'm just really hoping that it hasn't like ruined it for me. No, it hasn't. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Let me just take the... So this is a Chloe Roy bag. They've got it in a couple of different styles. They've got like a normal kind of like shoulder bag as well, and then there's this bucket bag, and I just love that it's got this canvas bit that you can pull up and have like, so it's like this. It's so cute. It smells incredible. You know that smell of leather. It's like fresh clean leather, and these like gorgeous gold hoops, and then it's got this little handle here, and it's not too small actually. Their measurements online were so small, and I ordered it anyway because I had seen it in stores, so I had the face. But I literally was like, that sounds too small, but it's not. So ignore the online measurements and just have a look at it on pictures, because that was on Farfetch actually. But yeah, I love it. So it's got the nice long straps. You can have it crossbody or over the shoulder, and you can lengthen or shorten that. And it's actually navy, and then it's got these gorgeous like yellow horses embroidered on them, and it's got these big hoops that say Chloe. I wonder if you could have, you could probably attach this to the big hoops as well if you wanted to have it like going up or something, or like that. Oh, I just love the detail, and I don't have that many. I don't think I've got any navy bags actually. It's definitely navy, but I definitely don't have many dark bags. I have a lot of like red and like different coloured bags. So this is like beautiful. So this ended up costing me £600 instead of 1,200, which is like the biggest bargain ever. I know that's still a lot of money for a handbag, but if you're in the market for one, then obviously that was amazing. So Black Friday deals did me good. And they do always have deals and offers on, guys, so I always put them on my Instagram stories. So if you're not following me on them, make sure you do, because I always share like the deals if there's anything that I own personally that goes on to sale or has like a discount on. I always put it on my Instagram stories, so you should definitely make sure you follow me on there if you want all of the discounts. Oh look, it's got a cute little platform on the bottom too to save it, and like little studs. Oh, it's just adorable. I really like it. What do you guys think? And it's not too small actually, like my camera would fit in there 100%. Like definitely could fit my camera in there. Like it's quite a big, quite roomy. I could fit my camera, my phone, my purse. I don't know what else I'd need, to be honest. It's a yes from me. Woo! I don't know what else to talk about really. This is only 4 minutes long, but I guess not every video has to be super long. What do you guys think? I'll link, I've got another video as well comparing a couple of my Chloe bags, so maybe I should do like a Chloe collection, so I've got so much stuff from them now, because I'm obsessed, if you haven't noticed already. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and like my new bag. I'm gonna go and say bye really quickly because my battery's gonna die. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!